Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on the Citroen Peugeot non-flip key. This particular key was made for models starting from year 2000 up until 2008, for some even 2009. Okay, in order to perform the battery change on this one, you have to turn the key around. You have a small screw here which needs to be taken out. Once you've taken the screw out, with the help of a small flathead screwdriver, just release the case. You have here the gap for releasing the case. Put this side on the back, and you have to remove this the circuit board. Please be very careful when you remove the circuit board not to damage any of the circuits inside. If you don't feel confident in doing this, please ask or seek help from a specialist, or leave the key with a specialist to do the battery change for you, rather than damaging any of the components. So in order to remove the battery, so the battery just slides out with the help of the screwdriver, just again very gently so you don't damage anything on the board. It comes out. In our case it's a CR2016. When you put the battery back in place, please make sure you put the positive side up, and then put it together, align it with the key, and it goes back into position. Okay, this side up, and then we put the back of the case up as well. Click together, and then we add the screw back in. The screw does hold the blade as well, so it's very important to have that one screwed well inside. Okay, this is again the Citroen Peugeot key from 2000 up until 2008, for some models even 2009. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.